Stephen Husko, Jr., police officer, Port Authority of New York, New Jersey, PD, 15 years of service.
On Wednesday, students, faculty, and local police officers packed into the lobby of Cushwa Hall in remembrance of the fallen service members as the names of those who lost their lives on September 11th were read.
We have a criminal justice department that's one of the largest majors on campus. A large majority of the police from the area are graduates of our department, and we are doing this to honor the fallen police officers in the area.
Kristen Healy was one of those who read the names aloud and felt very honored to do so.
It's a huge honor to read their names. I got to do it last year too, and it's so nice to not just say their names but their age. A lot of them are as young as some of the students that are standing around here who are going to become police officers, and it just really makes it personal to say their age, how long they were in service.
Sophomore Jim Marco used the terrorist attacks as inspiration to pursue a career in law enforcement.
Law enforcement's a big part of my life. I've always wanted to pursue a career in it. September 11th changed everybody's lives, and it's just a thing where you want to come out and you want to be present for something and remember the people that served those days and lost their lives.
The attacks altered how future service members train to handle those situations.
We focus a lot on terrorists in class. We've changed a lot of things around to focus on what happened because of 9/11.
Our department, it's one of the things we talk about in classes right now. We do not have a course in terrorism or anything like that.
Canfield police officer and YSU student Leah Byers feels it is important to remember the sacrifices of the fallen service members.
I've done a year and a half of service. To me, this is a big deal for us, just in memory of our fallen officers.
It was great to see everyone. We had a big crowd this year, and it was so nice to see everyone come out and honor these officers.
It just made me realize how precious life is.
Liam Callahan, police officer, Port Authority of New York and New Jersey PD, age unknown, 23 years of service.